Welcome to my channel. Here is the Akaso Brave 6 Plus action camera. All the product I will mention today, I will leave a link in the description for purchase. The manufacturer recommended to get the Samsung 64GB micro SD card, so I decided to go with it. It's currently retailed for $12 on Amazon, and the action camera is currently retailed for $120 on Amazon. Let's open the package. As you can see, it's a really nice packaging. It's magnetic. Here's some information when you open it. And here's the action camera. It comes in the waterproof case. Let's put it aside for now. And you do get 3 packages, 3, 2, 1. And you also do get a sticker, a card, and a quick start guide. You can scan this barcode and it gives you an extended user manual if you want to learn more about the product. Let's put those aside for now. This action camera does come with a lot of kit, unlike the GoPro. You have endless combination. You're never gonna run out of place to mount this camera. And it does come with an open case as well, if you don't want to put it in this water protection case. You do got I believe a bike mount and a bunch of other ones as well. Let's put those aside for now. Let's see what's in bag number 2. You get a charger for both battery. It does come with 2 batteries. And it's a 1350 milliamp hour battery. And it does come with a remote that can let you start and stop video or photo. Come with some zip tied and some double-sided stick, so you can place this camera, I guess, stick it to wall, or I'm not sure. You got the USB charger. It's USB Type-C to regular USB. A cleaning cloth, and you also do get this case with some opening in it. If you're not using this for water protection, you can put this so you can also get audio through. Let's take a look at the action camera. You get a HDMI and the USB Type-C. There is also a USB Type-C external microphone. Akaso is selling on Amazon for $10. I will also leave the link in the description if you're interested in getting it. I will test this audio first to see how it goes. If it doesn't sound too good, I will get the external microphone. This is the microphone. Here is the power button. This is where the battery go in, and this is where the micro SD card go in. And here's some of the control on top. Video button. Well, that's it. Thank you for coming to my channel. I will do a feature video showing you how the video look on this camera and tell you what I think about it. This is all for now. Again, if you're interested in buying any of the items I mentioned in the video, I will leave a link in the description for all those items I mentioned, including the micro SD card, the action camera, and also the external microphone. Thank you for watching, and I appreciate it.